Hello techies, this is TestOut PC Pro 8.6.9 and we're going to configure the file history. So Zoe is responsible for developing and important a new advertising campaign to protect her data. We have decided to enable file history on her Windows 10 system and configure it to take frequent snapshots of her files. In this lab, your task is to enable file history on the D drive volume, configure the file history to save copies of files every 10 minutes, retain previous versions of her files for 3 months. So we start up, we want to go to the search menu and go to settings, and under settings you want to locate update and security, and under update and security we want to locate backup, and while in backup let's see enable file history in the D drive volume and configure file history to okay. So what we're going to do is to add, what we want to do here is to add a drive, and according to the instruction you have to add the D drive. So we'll go ahead and add the D drive, and then we'll go ahead configure file history to save copies of files every 10 minutes. So that should be under more options, and under more options we want to backup my files, keep my backup, whatever, exclude these folders. Let's see, backup my files every 10 minutes and retain previous version of the files for 3 months. And so here we want to go to keep my backups, and we want to select 3 months. Select 3 months. I guess that is all we need to do here. So let's go back and see how we do. Alright, everything is correct. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to join my professional membership, like and subscribe. You can also reach me through my email. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.